Crude oil today traded in a range and traded with moderate bearishness throughout the day. Important thing to note, the support levels playing out very well. We have not seen oil giving a hint to break below 70.4, 70.6, which is a greater support zone here on the downside. While natural gas has posted a little recovery and now have come towards the next resistance zone at 2.8485. What to expect now from oil and gas, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and logical levels for you to take a trade with profit, trade with confidence. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil, followed with net gas. What's happening in oil on the hourly chart? See this rise, a good recovery after this drop. The drop here, the retracement, higher highs here, the higher low. What does this suggest? That it is forming a nice bullish flag here, trading in the zone. The highs are well beyond towards 72.6, and the lows are now restricted towards 70.8. Now, only bearishness is if you see oil trading below 70.4, we can confirm that now there is a drop ahead, while right now it is trading with moderate bullishness. On the hourly charts, look at the formation, a drop here, retracement. Wait for it to break now beyond 71.6, 72 zone. If it breaks beyond 72, that is the confirmation of further bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD is trading bearish, waiting for it to converge, crossover, and reverse. RSI rising, coming to 2. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here. A stronger rise, retracement, higher lows. It appears that we may see higher highs. And now, once it stays in fact above 71.6 and 72 zone, this is the zone which is going to remain critical for oil. Any movement beyond this is a good confirmation of a breakout which can take it towards 72.6, 73 as the next target. And if it breaks out beyond 73, we can just stay bullish for 74.5, 75 this time. If not today, some point of time in next week. But yes, these levels are achievable. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish here, RSI is flat. On the 3, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts, drop and higher lows and higher highs. It has to break this channel, which means only bearishness today in oil. If you see it is staying below 70.4, 70.6 zone, which is going to remain the prime support, because breaking below which you can expect 70, 69.6 and $69 levels. And these are going to remain greater supports here for oil. Remember, drop, retracement, and see it appears to be stabilizing here. A breakout here is going to be very severe, where the prices can in fact drop sharply. Stochastic has dropped here, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is comfortable, while on the 4-hour charts the observation is more or less same. Good thing to see here is the bearishness getting diminished. Still right now on the 4-hour charts, it is still very much in the bearish zone. Only buying entries above 71.6, where you can expect further rise, while the selling ideally has to be below 70.6, 70.4 zone. Till then, you have to be very cautious with the sells. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bearish. RSI has dropped here as well. And on the day, now on the daily charts here, what has happened? See, look at the formation here. It is forming a cusp here with the resistance at 72.4, 72.6. But today, what has happened? Interestingly, it has formed higher low. So right now, I will not say that either it has turned bullish or it is bearish. It is right now consolidating in a zone. And only bullishness now, only buying entries above 71.6 and 72 zone, breaking beyond which you can expect 72.4, 72.6 and 73 this time. Beyond 73 is where the bulls are confirmed. Also look at the downside, what is happening, higher lows here. Now see, this has been flattened, and if it breaks now below 70, 69.6, you can consider this as a reversal here, where the prices may hit the lows or higher lows here towards 68 very soon. Stochastic flat at top, MACD rising after the crossover at the bottom, and RSI flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, where you should sell, ideally the selling entry has to be below 70.4, but since this is a bit far below levels, you can sell here at 70.9, expect 70.7, 70.5. Now, once 70.5 is taken, stay short. We are looking forward to 70.2 as the next targets. And if that is taken, just stay short for 69.6, 69.3, and 69. Ideally, 69 and 68 is the greatest support here on the downside. Only bearish confirmation if it drops below 70 and then 69.6 zone. So also 68, 69 till here we have to be cautious. We can say that on the daily charts after the drop it is just consolidating here in the box. It has to break out either which ways. Now we also know that there is a gap to be filled here which needs to be filled very soon, and beyond this it will turn bullish. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 71.4 levels today, expect 71.7, 72, 72.5 and 73. And yes, breaking beyond 72.4, 72.6 zone is the level beyond which we can say that the bulls are back. We can look forward to a rise. Else right now I can say that the price is peaking out a bit, and we cannot deny a reversal from here. But ideally we have to wait for 70.4, 70.6 zone to be taken in order to confirm more bearishness, and it has to drop below 70 in order to confirm a sharper correction today and in the coming session. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. Now look at natural gas on the hourly charts. What's happening? Look at the move here. Drop, retracement, and it is delivering higher lows, lower highs. This is a zone of consolidation. It needs to stay above 2.86, 2.9 zone in order to confirm a breakout on the upside, and it has to stay below 2.7576 in order to confirm a bearish breakout. In fact, for the day, 2.8 has itself has become a greater support. So once you see it is staying below 2.8, we can initiate a selling entry, but only bearishness is below 2.7576 zone. The stochastic has retraced, the MACD is rising, the RSI has dropped a bit. On the 2 hour chart, the observation is more or less same zone of consolidation. It has to break out either which ways. On the downside 2.7476 and on the upside 2.88, 2.9 zone. Yes, why it is consolidating? See, we have seen a good rise and now it is waiting for a breakout. It is possible that it may give a gap up in the coming week, but again on the upside the resistances are very strong, because see, once it breaks out beyond 2.9, 2.94 zone, ideally we are aiming for 3.1, 3.24 levels. The stochastic has dropped here, the MACD has retraced, waiting for it to cross over, and this crossover is going to lead towards to a reversal. RSI is flat. On the 3 hour charts, and you see similar observation. Good thing here is the support it is showing at 2.8, and yes, if it drops below 2.8 today we can expect 2.78, 2.76 and 2.74, and if it drops below 2.74, you can say now we are looking forward to a crash towards 2.7 and in fact 2.66, 2.6 levels. Chances for such a strong drop appears to be less today in natural gas. Stochastic at top, MACD is almost on the crossover, verge of a crossover for a buy, and the RSI is almost flat. Coming to the 4 hour, the observation here is more or less same. Good consolidation, good higher lows. Wait for a breakout here. A breakout beyond 2.85 should be a good entry for us to take a buying position. Expect 2.8788 and 2.9 levels here, beyond which 2.94 is going to be the next target. Stochastic rising, MACD is rising, the RSI is almost flat. And on the daily charts, a zone of consolidation here as well. See how beautifully the prices are positioned here. Look at this, the highs and the lows all are beautifully connected, and right now the price is sticking to the median, and thus now you know the reason how important it is for natural gas to break beyond this zone. 2.9, 2.88 on the upside, 2.74, 2.75 on the downside. And what does this mean for gas here? Yes, a breakout here on the downside certainly means that we are looking forward to a greater down move, while the expectation here is different, because see, this is the double bottom. Look at the drop, retracement drop. It is waiting for a breakout. Now this breakout is going to be significant. If it is going to be there in the first trading session in the coming week, what we are looking at, we are looking at a move towards 3.1, and then in fact we can see a move towards 3.24 levels very soon. This is something you should keep a note of. Moving averages are bullish, stochastic rising, the MACD has seen good enough bearishness, waiting for it to cross over for a buy, and the RSI is flat with a modest bullishness. So looking at this, very simple. I will recommend you to buy now at 2.85 levels here. Expect 2.8788, 2.9, and then 2.94. Beyond, the next targets are towards 3.0205, 3.1, and 3.24 levels here in the near future, if not today. And on the downside, a selling entry is now only and only if you see it is staying below 2.8. That too, the higher price has to be below 2.8. That is excluding the spreads, the price has to be below 2.8. where you can take a sell, expect 2.7877 first target, 2.7576 the second, and if it breaks below 2.7576, stay short. We are looking forward to 2.7 and then 2.66 levels, chances of which appears to be very less. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to press the bell icon. Do not miss the weekly reviews tomorrow. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead, trading day ahead, and a happy weekend.